Hello everybody, I'm back again today. This time I'm reacting to part 2 of Nature Time with Blue. So as far as I know, there haven't been any more uploads, so this might be the last video I make for a while, but I'm looking forward to Cutie Eevee 2's return, and I hope you are as well. So yeah, let's check out this video together, shall we?
Yeah. Everyone, and welcome to another episode of Nature Time with Blue. So in the last episode,
it was crazy.
Did it go as well as I planned?
No.
But you know what? Hey, it was a mistake.
Okay.
Crap happens. Okay,
You say
especially
so.
in nature shows.
Nature shows.
So, so since we actually did the backyard, how about we do the front yard?
I was about to guess that. Wonder if you could go to a park sometime. That'd be kind of cool.
Look at this right here. Just the beautiful grass. The beautiful and amazing.
What are these? What are these plants?
Just look at this right here. Look at this.
What's it called? I don't know.
Man,
But it looks nice, yeah.
Good, right? Like, look at it. It's so amazing. Look at this flower right here. Look at this flower right here. Like, just look at it. Just look at it.
Is that clover?
So much better. So much good. Oh, over here. It's the only flower in this bush.
It's wet. There must have been some rain.
That we literally keep getting freaking, like, hit and impaled. You name it. Every single video. Whatever.
Don't remind me.
Oh, man. So
Please
good.
don't remind me.
Oh, man. Actually, kind of think of it. That'll be it. It's really not that much in here.
Okay.
I guess we could just
walk in the neighborhood, maybe?
Lou, what we're gonna do?
It went black.
I don't know. I didn't plan this out, okay? I did not know there were like less flowers in the front yard. Yeah, but still, we're supposed to release the second episode today. Look, how about we just calm down and maybe we will use the footage right now, and we'll basically do like another take later, maybe like in the park. Or
that's what I was thinking. Yeah, that would be cool.
It's not freaking nature.
It is natural. Parks are natural sometimes.
Come on, it kind of kills. Go! Whoa, what was that? Oh my God, I think that was Junior.
Oh no.
Come on, let's go.
What's gonna happen? Oh man, the suspense is really stressing me out here.
Yeah, are you okay?
Why are you sitting on that?
Like, hurry your call. It's not like you're scared.
A monster?
Strange things. What strange things? Yeah, what strange things?
Yeah, what? Bowser? Is it the masked guy?
What?
Is it him? Oh, please no. I can't handle it.
Look.
I'm looking away. What's wrong? Oh, it is the mask. I just noticed it. Ooh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Please, no. When will he get defeated? When will you be safe? Oh, gosh. Has it always had hair? Okay, no, this is different. This is the It clown mask. Oh, please, no. I have some issues with this. Oh, no. I hate clowns. I don't like them at all. I'm not looking. Pennywise. Oh.
Yeah, but why the frick is it hanging in the tree?
I don't know. What now?
Did you?
Mm-hmm.
I'm confused. What the frick?
Is he here? Is it a trap? Oh no. Oh no.
Dude, you said
Run.
You saw this when you woke up? Yes.
Run.
There's more.
There's more?
Wait, are you serious?
Oh.
Yeah, he's actually not wrong. What?
Oh no.
Better check a look at this.
Is it the mask I thought was there before?
Look.
The holes in the face? Oh. What's that one? What is it? Another mask? Oh my gosh, that's terrifying. Is that a bird? What? is so scary. Oh no. Oh, I hit my camera. That freaked me out. Oh man, that is really scary. What?
Guys, this
Ah.
is freaking out.
Oh
Yeah,
man,
know,
I need a
oh my
moment.
God.
No!
Okay, guys,
Oh.
this is not part of the show, okay? This is definitely not part
Reality.
of the show. What you saw there
Ah.
is, let's just say, I think some terrible difficulties. Maybe someone is pranking us, or I don't
Wasn't
know,
me. It wasn't me.
but I don't know, but this is really, really disturbing, and I'm
Yes.
so sorry, guys, the viewers that are watching
It
this.
was
I'm
so
so
scary.
sorry, okay?
It was so scary.
I'm literally am so sorry, okay? This
Oh.
is definitely not part of the show, and I'm sorry, okay?
Okay.
I'm so sorry. This is Blue signing out, and hopefully none of this would ever happen again, okay? Bye.
Oh man. Oh man. Let me see when this video was uploaded. July 27th. So, in 2 weeks, it'll be a whole month since this video was filmed. I wonder if everybody's okay. Maybe they were attacked by these terrible masks. I don't know, but I'm worried. So hopefully you can make part 3 soon so I know you're okay. Until then I'm gonna check my house for creepy masks and hide under my bed. I'll see you all again sometime. Until then, bye-bye.